So this week is Sustainable Fashion Week. It's great to be part of the Newtown Hub. So we've been doing that with Textile Junkies and Severn Hospice, and there's been lots of different places throughout Newtown also doing workshops throughout the week. So we've held workshops this week here with the students and with the public. Yeah, so tonight we've got the fashion show in the Elephant and Castle in Newtown. It's to raise money for Severn Hospice. And we're doing that alongside Textile Junkies and some other small businesses around Newtown and the local area. So alongside everyone else and the Severn Hospice, we will be exhibiting some of the things we've made this week. The students will be modelling some of their own work, and it will be great to showcase everything that we've made this week.
I've been on other courses before. I've never been able to showcase my fashion ability. So for me, in getting to wear my own work, I think it shows that I can do more, and that fashion should be more of the main focus. So this week we did natural dyeing, and we got to use different ingredients in, like flowers, vegetables, and other resources. And then we used chili powder and
turmeric.
We used them to dye our own fabric and stuff, and we got to use that today to make our zero waste pattern cutting. And so we've all done something slightly different, but we've all came together to make it with the stuff we used this week.
My favourite workshop we've done would definitely be the lino printing.
Yeah. It's the future, because the more we hurt our environment, it's the more that we can't live on it, and there's too much waste for us to carry on going, especially with everything that's happening in the world.